You're a public company and looking for a way to tell your story to millions of online investors.
Welcome to AGORACOM, North America's largest online investor relations firm. We deliver investor relations to the web's biggest sites and search engines to help you find new investors. In addition to those websites, over 1 million investors read over 95 million pages of news and information on AGORACOM this year. AGORACOM, where smart public companies and investors click.
Good morning, it's Tuesday, October the 14th, and you're watching AGORACOM Small Cap News TV. I'm your host, Paul Kandakos. AGORACOM TV is a daily, fast-paced, 5-minute show bringing you the best press releases at the open, along with the halt, so you can hopefully profit from them and potentially find your next great small cap investment. Hopefully you all had a tremendous long weekend. Here in Canada, we had Thanksgiving Day weekend. In the States yesterday, we had Columbus Day, and what a Columbus Day it was. The single biggest gain by the Dow ever in one day, 960 some odd points up in one day, so tremendous gains. These are very tumultuous times. We've seen some incredible lows, we've seen some incredible highs, so hopefully everyone is taking advantage of them. Now, I've got 4 great press releases for you this morning, both from the U.S. side and the Canadian side, and I've got one halt to report on in the second segment of our program. So without any further ado, let's get down to business. Our top story this morning, East Asia Minerals. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol EAS. The company is continuing to encounter strong near-surface oxide gold mineralization at its Bina-based gold project, which is located in Sulawesi, Indonesia. We've got highlights from their current drill program, which include hole number 48, which returned 56 meters of 1.4 grams per ton of gold. And included within that, we've got 28 meters of 2.45 grams per ton of gold. Hole number 51 returned 16 meters of 4 grams per ton of gold. And hole number 52 returned 29 meters of 1.24 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of East Asia this morning. A little bit about the company. They're an Asian-based Canadian mineral exploration company with gold and copper exploration properties in Indonesia and uranium exploration properties in Mongolia. The company's last at 20 cents, 52-week high, low, $2.95 to a low of 17 cents, and the market cap of approximately $11 million. Moving on, I've got EurOmax Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol EOX. The company is announcing results from the recent drilling program on the, I'm going to say this slowly, Caravansalia property, which is located in Serbia. Try saying that 5 times fast. We've got highlights from the property, which include hole number 829, which returned 96 meters, grading 0.6 grams per ton of gold. And within that same hole, a little further down, we've got 120 meters, grading 0.55 grams per ton of gold, 0.5% copper, and 3.2 grams per ton of silver. We've also got hole number 831 that they're reporting on, which returned 235 meters, grading 1 gram per ton of gold. And included within that, we've got 143 meters of 1.6 grams per ton of gold. So great numbers coming out of EurOmax this morning as well. A little bit about the company. EurOmax is a Canadian company drilling copper and gold metal deposits in southeastern Europe. Company's last at 27 cents, 52-week high, low of 55 cents and 16 cents, and the market cap of approximately $14 million. Moving on to our next company, I've got Selkirk Metals Corp for you. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol SLK. The company is reporting on assay results from their second 2008 drill hole, which was collared on the Catface Porphyry Copper Project, which is located on Vancouver Island in British Columbia. Highlights from the program include hole number 46, which returned 352 meters of 0.37% copper and 2.67 grams per ton of gold. So that's a big intercept. And we've got hole number 47, which returned 282 meters of 0.32% copper and 2.5 grams per ton of gold. So very significant find there, big intercept from Selkirk Metals. The company is a mineral exploration and development company focused on the acquisition and, if warranted, subsequent development of base metal properties in Canada. The company's last at 12 cents, 52-week high low, a high of $1.08, low of a dime, and a market cap of approximately $9.5 million. And finally, we're moving over to the U.S. side. I've got a company called Seychelle Environmental Technologies. They trade on the OTC BB under the symbol SYEV. The company actually made two announcements today, so I'm going to give you a brief overview of both. The first announcement is that sales for the month of September exceeded $267,000, including a large order for advanced water filtration bottles for a large humanitarian organization. That's press release number one. Press release number two is that they received new orders totaling $76,000, which were received from a variety of customers in the U.S. and the United Kingdom. A little bit about the company. Seychelle Environmental Technologies is a worldwide leader in the development, manufacture, and sale of a proprietary filtration system for portable water bottles. Company's lost at 44 cents. 52-week high, low of high of 63, low of 8 cents, and the market cap that currently stands at approximately $11 million. That's it for the great press releases. Moving on to the second segment of our program, I only have one halt to report on this morning. It's Noront Resources. They trade on the TSX Venture under the symbol NOT. They've been halted. We haven't seen any trading on the stock. Although we haven't seen it officially halted, that's what we're surmising. That's a wrap for this morning's show. I'm your host, Paul Kondakos. Make sure to tune in again tomorrow. We've got more great press releases and halts in the AM for you.